It all starts with a heartbeat. Kalayan Educational Foundation Incorporated is the pioneer paramedical institution in Quezon Province. It is the top choice for students who want to excel in the field of healthcare. CEFI's board passing rate always surpasses the national average. Our programs are accredited by national quality assurance agencies as undeniable proof of our excellence. Our professors are licensed and highly qualified, with years and decades of industry experience. To make OJT and employment a breeze for its students. CEFI is one of the most affordable colleges in Lucena City. We are the heartbeat of the South that gives life to dreams, your dreams. Choose right. Choose CEFI.